Welcome back to Yates American J180 restoration as we finally start to wind down the series. In this episode, we finished putting together the drivetrain and we run the Reese drive through its paces, and we even put a board through the machine, albeit without doing any cutting. I want to make sure this pulley is lined up with the bottom pulley down there. Alright, let's run this Reese drive through its paces. Largely satisfied with the way the Reese drive rotocone is working. So we'll go ahead and put the rest of the drivetrain together. This is a fairly cool eccentric mechanism for tensioning the chain. We'll leave it loose. There's a set screw over here, but we'll leave it loose until we get the chain on later. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this chain a little bit. It's got grease stuck on it. Okay, I've adjusted all the rollers to be as low as they can be, and I've tensioned the springs. So what I want to do is I want to try running some stock through it without the cutter head touching the stock, just to make sure that it feeds and make sure all this works. I'll tension this up next, and then we'll feed some stock through there. Okay, I've got it on the lowest speed on the feed, and then I've got the table height adjusted to just barely pinch this board. I just want to see if it'll feed through. This crossbar, combined with all this other linkage, it's supposed to act as a clutch on this flat belt. This flat belt is so short and tight that it's really not going to do any good. But I'm going to hook it up and I'll get a new belt eventually. I'm not sure exactly what this brass bar does on the outfeed cross brace. I presume it helps keep chips from getting ejected out the side of the planer. With the cross braces reinstalled, I can install the pressure bar and the chip breaker. There's a possibility I may have to remove this front brace because there's a rocker that goes in here that I may not be able to install without removing this again. But I wanted to go ahead and get this chip breaker in place.